In recent years, coin-based batteries such as the CR2032 now include a bittern coating, a safety measure designed to discourage children from swallowing them. This change aligns with Reese's Law, which promotes safer designs for consumer products. While this coating is effective for safety, it can sometimes interfere with the battery's electrical contact in devices, leading to poor performance. To remove the coating and ensure optimum performance, simply use an alcohol wipe and gently clean the coating from the battery. Allow it to dry completely before installing it back into your optic. With the coating removed, your CR2032 battery will make better contact, improving performance and longevity in your optic.